I'm going to talk to you guys about AI Slop because I'm hearing about it a lot on Instagram, TikTok, Facebook, and people talking about how much money you can make with AI Slop. I'm going to tell you right now, that is going to stop. That there are new laws in place. No one should be making any money off two sentences and no originality and other people's prompts. People push prompts all the time. Create your own prompt. You have ChatGPT, you have Claude AI, you have Gemini. You talk to it, you explain what you need. It can create a prompt for you that comes from your originality, your voice. You can revise it 100 times so it becomes exactly what you want. That AI slop is going to come down. There is an AI girl, there's an AI guy, there's an AI cartoon, there are AI terminologies, words, transitions, filler words that AI uses often. I know them, I see them. I've been doing this for 2 years. I know when you're using AI. I know when you wrote something with AI. It likes to say words like quietly, and you're not gonna know this because if you're like me, yes, you will. If you're just doing this and you're not really paying attention to what AI looks like, then you're not going to know this. But the system will. The system will, and it's gonna pick up to know, is this an original content or is this one that was made with low effort? It's not just about the pixels in 2K or 4K. It's about the effort that you put in to make your content original. If you're following other people's guidelines about AI slop and doing fast generations of thousands of images and thousands of songs, it will be taken down eventually when these new laws come through. So please, if you're gonna start with AI, don't listen to other people and what they're doing. Listen to your own AI. Let it guide you with your own words and keep on asking questions. This is how you keep your originality. I have thousands and thousands of metadata that shows that everything I create is original to me. My own avatar is based on my own image, a younger version or older version. I dress her, original clothing, everything I do with my avatar, I make it. Just the outfit and the environment for that is about 10,000 characters to make her. It's not something small. A lot of these AI platforms that you use to create images, they tend to go to the fastest generation because everybody wants the fast stuff. To find the custom buttons in these AI platforms, you're gonna have to dig a little deeper. And it's not their fault. It's easy to sell fast things because that's what most of you guys want. But that's not gonna keep you being able to monetize. You will be demonetized eventually if they find out that what you're doing is AI slop and you can't back it up with metadata. Metadata is everything. And when I told you thousands and thousands, no, actually it's millions and millions. I'm past just doing the music generation and the cinematic generation, which is something I really love. That's a fun part. Right now, I'm moved on to building AI automation systems that are customized to what I want or what somebody else would want. So now I have an AI customized automation system that when I sleep, all my music, 20 steps of what goes on with my AI music, what it needs to do, all the metadata that needs to be put into that music, it can do that while I sleep. I also did an automation system to upload all my social media posts and all my social media platforms, customized to the way I think using a vocabulary bank that I built based on my own words. So when I'm sleeping, tell it what I want, I give it my emotions, I give it my story, and it knows that every platform is shaped different ways and it has different types of hashtags or words that need to be used on that platform. So this is a lot for you guys right now, but I am going to be writing a book about this. And again, I haven't really advertised very much about what I'm doing and how I'm doing this because I don't want to be that person that just monetizes off oh, this is a new thing, AI. I want to be the person who actually knows what she's talking about. And that helps protect you too. So I hope you follow me, subscribe to me, because a lot more is coming. I'm finally at a place where I can say, yes, I am a lead director in directing AI to originality. I definitely am.